Good morning, researchers. Today we are going to be looking for reliable sources. A reliable resource has real information that is trustworthy and can be checked by finding the same information on multiple sources. You can check multiple sites and sources to see if they have the same facts. You can also check the date of the article to see if it is older or newer. At the bottom, you can check to see if the author listed sources that they published for their information. When you're scanning, you can look for organizations and publishers that you've heard of that use .com, .org, .edu, .net, and .gov. If there are a lot of pop-ups on this site, you can try to exit it pronto. If I were looking up chocolate milk and the amount of sugar it has, I could put in the keywords chocolate milk sugar, which comes out to be about 24 grams. When looking for a source, I can click on different sites such as the Dairy Council of California, which states that chocolate milk has approximately 20 grams of sugar, 12 from lactose, and 8 added pieces of sugar. It's a little bit different than 24, however, it's awfully close. I can also look at other sites to see if the information matches up. On nationalpost.com, it claims that there are about 22 to 25 grams of sugar in juice and about 25 grams of sugar per cup in chocolate milk. So what I'm noticing is that there's 20 to 25 grams of sugar in chocolate milk. If I were doing informational on, or an opinion rather, on whether chocolate milk should be served in schools, I would most likely choose this article, which was published in 2018, than something that was published almost a decade ago in 2011, because it's more current. If I found a source that I liked and wanted to borrow information from, like the nutrients in chocolate milk, I might go down to the bottom to check to make sure it has sources where it gathered its information. And it sure does, from a magazine article from Medicine and Science in Sports and Exercise. If I'm scanning for information, I might want to avoid things that have things like .guru at the end and look for sites that I recognize, like time.com or scholastic.com, about why homework is important, or is it really important? And same goes for plastic bottles. If I'm looking to see if the plastic bottles are great or not so great, I might look at nationalgeographic.com versus something called shakakaboo.com. And of course, you want to avoid anything with a lot of pop-ups. If it's trying to get you to subscribe, if it has different things that pop up, like videos, or when you try to make an article go away, it won't, you might want to leave the site because it might be gathering information on you. Again, researchers look for reliable sources. They look to see if the facts have been stated in multiple places, how new or old the article is, if the author listed their sources for where they got their information, and you want to make sure it's a trusted publisher or organization with the .com, .org, .edu, .net, or .gov site. Happy researching!